What is a sheet?
Escheat happens when property is returned to the state because the property has become ownerless. I'm using the word returned because originally all property in the state of Texas belonged to the state. Then private ownership was granted through land patents. Let's look at a couple of examples of escheat. This is Jules. She's decided to abandon her property, drop out of society, move to Australia, and go on a walkabout. Since it's considered abandoned, the property escheats to the state. Now let's say Jules decides she actually wants to stay in society and chooses to live on her property, but then sadly dies in a freak accident. If Jules has no will and no heirs, her property will once again escheat to the state. That is escheat.